Hi Hardik, how are you? Actually, today I'm not feeling well, but chalo, let's do this. Hello Raja Sahib, hello Mem Sahab. Perfect. Chalo, everyone, good to go. Chalo, let me quickly first discuss what we are going to learn today. So today we are going to understand about custom GPDs, and I think everyone would be knowing it. ChatGPT 5 has been released for everyone. Now the AI game is going to the entire next level. So we are going to do two, three things today. We are going to create one more automation for ourselves. We are going to understand how we can impress our management in our company, and then we are going to discuss about VO3 and going forward. Is that a yes in the Zoom chat? Chalo, perfect. Santosh bhai, that's great. Pramod bhai, thank you so much. Oh, perfect. Chalo, that's great. Yep. I've turned on the recording. Recording will be given to you. Chalo, theek hai. Let's go one by one. Chalo, that's great. Dr. Iman Bhai, you are at the right place. Chill, relax. We have many doctors in the house. Okay? Chalo, now I'm going to close the chat box. Close the chat box, and let's. Will this be a gift? Yeah, it will be a gift, Bala. Don't worry. Now let's get started with this particular class, guys. First thing first, I want to show you the results. ऐसा कुछ बनाएंगे आज. Today we are going to create something like this. I just want to see how many people here are working in a good company. Guys, see this. I have taken a Google logo from internet. ठीक है. I've written one prompt which I will share it with you. No worries, guys. See this. In 1 minute, Gemini, what it has created just from a logo. See this. So what I've told this tool that whatever logo I provide, just transform that logo into the best product that they have. So Google, what they have best, they have Google search engine, obviously, which has made them Google. So it has converted Google into Google search engine. So अभी ऐसा एक दो चीज ट्राई करते हैं. How many people are excited for this? Can I get me in the Zoom chat? Do you want to do it for your company? Completely made by AI. How about that? Chalo. I will do it for one lucky person who will get it from my side. Chalo, give me your company names in the chat. Chalo, we have first person Capgemini, we have Shell, we have Potentia, we have Dell Jeans, we have Xenia, we have Orange, we have Cyber Brogs, we have Reloy, we have Barclays, Wellplust, we have Dubai Holdings, we have U Academy. I'm not aware of it. Okay, we have K Fintech, Bosch, Skoda. We have people from Skoda, Infosys, Tax Doctor. We have Star, Unilever. Wow, that's crazy. We have Tata people. We have Space, TK. We have Aditya Birla people. We have Mitsumi. We have Organic Store. We have Eximinist.com, Travel, Pawan Enterprise. Crazy, why? We have many people. I'm just thinking from where I can get their logo. Okay, so we have CGI. I don't know what CGI. We have Colgate. We have Tech M&A. We have TCS people here. So Tata ka we have major crowd. We have SBI. We have Dream Force. We have crazy yaar. We have IGPL. I'm not able to read the names. Purple, Shift Purple, PayPal. We have people from PayPal as well. We have Misho, Hitachi, Google. We have Imtiaz bhai. Your work is done. So Google, Accenture, Mastercard. We have Geo. We have almost all top tier brands are here. We have L&T people here. We have Tata Motors again. We have Apple. Chalo, crazy. We'll do it for one international company, one national company. Chalo, what national company should I pick first? I'm going through it. Mitsubishi, Manipal. We have almost every single person from all around the group. We have Agre bhai, Amazon hi bacha tha. We have Amazon also. Chalo. We have Mastercard, Wipro, Mitsubishi, Reliance people here. Perfect bhai. We have crowd, top-notch crowd today. Chalo. Let's do this. Indian Air Force, we have Salute Indian Air Force. We have Army people as well. ठीक है. I've got enough recommendations. I'm closing the chat. I understood all here are top people. Love you, bye. Love you too. Chalo. We have Flipkart as well. Chalo. What else? Haldiram, Flipkart, सब है. Chalo. What else? ठीक है. Deals, jeans. We have national company. ठीक है. चलो. Wait, let's do one for Tata first. Now, prompt क्या है हार्दिक? See this. This is the prompt. I will just share it with you people. You can just have a look of the prompt. Meanwhile, I'm downloading Tata का logo from internet. ठीक है. Just paste it here. Now I will just go and download some Tata ka logo, and we will do it for Tata logo PNG HD if I'm getting Tata logo. Chalo, I think this is the Tata ka logo, right? Tata parent company is I think Tata Sons. So I'm trying to get this logo. Okay, perfect. We have got one logo. I will just copy and save the link. Saving the image as PNG file in downloads folder, and I hope we have the Tata Group logo. Okay, perfect. Now, just like this, all the people I know, we have people here from every Accenture, Infosys, Ant Vault, Artisan, koi bhi ho, any company that you are in. You need to get the logo of your company first. Okay, I've given you the prompt in the Zoom chat. If you want me to give it, like you can take a screenshot or something like that. Okay, and now you just have to come on this Google Gemini. कहाँ गया हो? Google Gemini, sign up for free, select, paste this, select the video. How to create a video ये भी नहीं पता है. चलो absolute, let's start with absolute basics because we might be having some new crowd in the house. So first let me show you my results. Where are my results? These are my results. क्या करना है? First you have to come in googlegemini.com. Or else if you are someone who's like Hardik, I have already exhausted the trial plan, मेरे पास ये नहीं है वो नहीं है, so you can come on this second website which is called this URL. I will just share this URL with you. It's called consolecloud.com/vortex AI. यहाँ पे you can create a dummy account and you can use it for one trial. See this, I was doing it for some other company as well. See this, here I've created Google Pixel. I've converted Google into Google Pixel. तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. We are going to do all of that. I will share this link also with you people. तो जिसको नहीं पता है क्या करना है. ठीक है, चलो. Now let's come on that part. I will just close this. I don't want this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, again I'm going to copy this prompt. I'm going to copy this prompt, Control C, and I will paste the video here. I will paste the video here, and let's go with a new chat only. Now why to do it again and again? I will paste it, the new chat. And guys, इसके लिए you will require the pro trial. Trial कैसे लेना है? It's very like basics. You can do a Google. Okay, let's not waste our time how to take trial. Click on video. The moment you select a video, it will tell you to add an image. Just add the image of your logo. That's it. और कुछ नहीं करना है. Even if you take the trial, you can create 3 videos in a day. And यहाँ पे Vertex AI पे you do not even have to take the trial. You can create for free of cost. And you can download as well. सब करेंगे one at a time. No worries. ठीक है? Now I'm going to click on enter. The moment I click on enter, guys, see this. It will take some time. Meanwhile, I will just go through your company names. Let's see if I have missed out any company. We have Websol, we have Godrej people here, we have GIMS, I don't know what's that, Ant World we have Perpetuity. Wow, Gopi Krishna, are you working in Perpetuity? Amity, we have Tele Performance, we have Indian Air Force, we have Skretchenker India, we have SBI, should be a good one. I am from college, no worries. If you're a professor, no worries. We have State Bank of India, we have great Emirates Airlines, wow. Kanu Kuti Organic Store can get a logo on www.kanukitty.in. Yeah, I remember you. We have helped you to grow your business as well, right? Chalo, perfect. I'm just waiting. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to create the video. We have Bio Industries. We have my logo is available online. What's your logo? We have Potencia.co. We have Talks. Tax doctor.in. We have UBS, Prudent, Reliance. ठीक है. Meanwhile, the people are late joiners. We are trying to create a video from a logo of a company. So we are trying to impress our senior management. So that's the reason people have told me their company names. We have Reliance Power, Wipro, Mastercard. Wow, I think almost my company is Infinity Wealth. Arre wow. We have Kerala company here. Almost all companies are done. Okay, chalo, all companies are done. Now I'm going to open the chat box. If I have left any company, please tell me your company name. What should be our second example? We are going to discuss that as well. Now, is there anyone who is from any? Oh, by the way, it's ready. I think so. Let's see the video. Oh my God! It has converted Tata into the latest car. I forgot the name of this company. So it has taken it as a Tata Motors car reference. See this, And by the way, if you're thinking, Hardik, ye kyun kharab hai? I think the issue is the logo. So I hope you will get a good logo from your company's HR or marketing team and put a good high definition logo and try to avoid it from internet. Okay? Because internet पे download करने के उसका quality scrape हो जाता है. See this. Just imagine if this would be a high end logo, top quality. Just see this. Bhai, is it crazy? Can I get crazy in the chat box? Crazy. How many people would try it for your company? Quite amazing. Crazy, 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 crazy. We have people of Mobi World, UAE. Perfect. I will try it for one international company as well. Chalo, perfect. How to get the prompt? I've given you the prompt already. I will share it again in the Zoom chat. Okay. Anything is possible with AI. Just getting started. Chalo, perfect. Sir, आपका message copy नहीं हो रहा है. Guys, I will show you how to create it as well. No worries. ठीक है. Now. Anyone suggest me any international name? We'll do it one more time. ठीक है. विवेक टैंक आई सेड दैट वो ट्रायल लेके करना पड़ेगा. चलो आई एम जस्ट एनीवन वर्किंग इन एन इंटरनेशनल गेम. डोंट गिव मी सम रैंडम सजेशंस. एनीवन वर्किंग इन इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड. ठीक है. आई एम सीइंग FedEx is there. We have British Telecom. We have Star Rails. We have AC Power. We have Mobi World, Dubai ka. And what else? We have PepsiCo. We have JP Morgan. We have Tesla. I think one person is here from Tesla. My brother is working in PayPal. ठीक है. What else? Oracle. चलो, I will do it for Tesla. I think Tesla will give us a car ka result. So I will take some other example. What else? In mutual fund, please create the logo. My company's handboard. Please create the logo. I'm not here to create a logo. Logo ka I've already covered that. Okay, so I'm just going through the company name. Etihad Airlines. So I've got it. I've got one person working here in Etihad Airlines. We have PNG as well. People working in PepsiCo as well. PepsiCo le lete. Chalo. Let's do it for PepsiCo. I will just write here PepsiCo. PepsiCo. So the person working in PepsiCo here, I don't know your name. It's written as iPhone, but chalo, let's do it for this person. So I think this is the PepsiCo logo. Am I correct? Chalo, I will just save it in my downloads folder, but it's coming as SVG document, so we cannot upload it. I want to find a PNG file for it. I think this is a PNG file. I hope it's a PNG file. Let me just save it. Okay, it's a PNG file. I will just save it here quickly. Chalo, we have got the logo. Let's do this again. I'm coming to Gemini. Guys, pro call trial plan leke karna padega. And the people who are like, Hardik, I cannot take the trial plan or I'm not interested. Go on this URL. I will directly give you this URL again in the Zoom chat. Okay, I will just give it to you. Vertex AI. It's an alternative. Okay. Now, the last example we'll do it today and then I will show you how to download it as well. Okay, so I'm copying the prompt again. Control C. New chat. The people who are not able to create the prompt. Yeah. Okay, sorry. I've by mistakenly I've converted. I can't fulfill. I take the ability process image, create animation. Chalo, अच्छा है, नहीं हुआ. Paste it again. Video. Add the image of PepsiCo. Perfect. I'm going to click on enter. Chalo, let's do this. Now, anyone who's trying to do it along with me, don't try to do it along with me as I've recommended you. Recording आपके पास आ जाता है. You have the recording, guys. You can try it after some time. Yeah. चलो. It will again take 1 or 2 minutes and let's see PepsiCo. PepsiCo, I think it's going to convert that into Pepsi or something like that. Let's see how it goes. And I hope we have a good logo. I've downloaded a good logo because logo matters a lot, guys. The more good quality logo you provide. Oh my God. I think I've downloaded a PNG file, but it was not transparent. Chalo, let's see. Let's hope for the best. It might not give me the best results because I've not put up a high quality logo just like we did it for Google. The people who are late joiners, we have already created these two things. Where is the logo for Google? So this is what we have created. We have converted Google logo into search engine using AI. Then we took one brand car thing, which was this Tata. We converted Tata logo into a car. Again, the logo was not that good, तो अच्छे से हुआ नहीं, but ऐसा होगा if you put a good logo. Now we are doing it for one international brand, and then we move to the next example. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Meanwhile, chalo, I will just show you how to download this. Let's say, Hardik, I like this particular thing. I want to show it to my boss in Google, or I want to like do some things. यहाँ पे download video रहेगा. Simply click on download video. It will give saved and it will come in a high resolution without any. I think watermark will be there. So let's see. Save it here. I will just open this here. A slight watermark is there, but it's good, right? If you send it in a WhatsApp or somewhere, it will be in a very top quality. Right now, you're seeing on a very big screen, तो इतना quality अच्छा नहीं दिखता होगा. But once you download it, you can send it to your boss or someone. They would be impressed. ठीक है, चलो. Let's see if our ready. Our video is ready. Oh my god, I think the it's not looking good, but चलो, let's see. Yeah, that was the issue, but it's created goodly because see this. Can you see this? Ideally, there should be only logo. There should not be any background. Transparent background बोल के मैंने wrong logo download कर दिया. But चलो, any which ways we are focused on the learning. See this. It's still good. Not that good compared to this wala thing which we did for Tata Motors. It was actually good. Tata Motors wala was actually good because the logo is breaking up. See this, the logo breaked up and converted into a car. So this was pretty much good. So now, Hardik, what if I don't have the prompt? The prompt is a problem. Before I open the chat box, many people will face this problem. So guys, you can simply come to ChatGPT and you can tell ChatGPT like this, like I'm writing a prompt on Google VO3. Write this name. I'm just giving you a ref in the chat box. या मैं आपको लाइव कर देता हूँ, रुको ये देखो. Everyone has ChatGPT 5 access now. See this. Just simply click on dictate. ChatGPT, I'm trying to create a video out of a brand logo on Google VO3 platform. So create a prompt where this particular prompt will help me to convert any brand logo in the world into a realistic video. So for example, if I'm putting Tata Motors logo, it should convert into a car. If I put Rolex ka logo, it should convert into a watch, so and so forth. Give me a prompt for this. And like this, एक voice note डालना है ChatGPT Plus को, ChatGPT 5 को. And the moment you write a voice note like this, click on enter. As per your understanding, if you have some ideas of your own, you are free to test it out. Don't just do what I'm doing. If you want to add something of your own, you can do it. See this. The moment you will get the prompt, यहाँ पे ऐसा copy, paste it there along with the image, your job is done. ठीक है? Have you got it all? Is that a MB in the chat? Mind boggling. MB? MB in the chat, MB in the chat, MB in the chat. Perfect. MB in the chat. Bhai, the chat is going bonkers. Hardik, what about Vertex AI? Karan bhai, it's same. See this. Vertex AI, I've written the same prompt. Just put the logo, put the image along with it. Same. Hardik, how to get ChatGPT access? Go on chatgpt.com. You will automatically get the access. Okay? What else? Done. Chalo, that's great. And now. Next is a real problem. Guys, there are some new joiners in the community. Everyone, we know that we solve real world problems with the help of AI. Now, guys, see this. There are two accounts I have kept side by side. This is my like free account of Gemini, and I have paid account of Gemini as well. So I will do two things along with you. We are going to create a AI agent. So first, let's understand what is an AI agent. So let's do apple to apple comparison. So ये तीन दो platform है. See this. There is something called a ChatGPT. There is something called a Gemini. I have paid plans for both, so no worries. I will show you everything. But there is a problem. So if you take paid plan of ChatGPT and if you want to create this AI agents, like it's a very high complex task. But on the other hand, guys, there is a free. I repeat, if I give you the URL right now, ये URL, you can check it out for yourself. You can क्रिएट अ फ्री जेमिनाई अकाउंट, इंटरफेस ऐसा दिखेगा, ठीक है। यू कैन क्रिएट कैनवास, यू कैन क्रिएट एप्लीकेशन, हम और चीजें देखेंगे, डू नॉट वरी इन द कमिंग सेशंस। बट द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल थिंग विच आई had covered earlier was gems. I told you to explore gems, and now gems has gone to the next level. So that's the reason I'm covering again in the course, and that's the beauty of this live course. Whatever live things will happen in the market, that week itself you will learn it from me. So no errors, no backlogs, nothing. Now what here? What is gems? These are custom AI agents. क्या है ये? चलो let's see an example. See this. Now I will just close on gems. I will just click on gems. The moment I click on gems, see this. So there are some gems which are ready-made. Now, Hardik, what is this gems? Let's say a storybook का gem है. Gem क्या होता है? Basically, it's a like what is it's a like similar word to AI agent. They have named as gems. You can call it as AI agents. Brainstormer guide ये वो हो गया. Now, Hardik, I want to create something of my own. So, कैसे बनाना है? That's something we are learning here. You can to click on new jam. The moment you click on jam, the interface is very simple. If you are a slightly aware of AI agents, you will be like, ये तो same ही है. But even if you are not aware of AI agents, no worries. I always assume that you are a beginner people. Let's start with absolute basics. There are only three things needed here. Hardik, what are the three things? One is the name of that gem. What are the instructions that we need to give to the gym? Instructions क्या देना है, कैसे देना है, I will tell you. And the best part, which is knowledge. अभी ये knowledge क्या है, guys? I don't know how many people would be having some files ready, but let just give me a sec. I will stop my screen share, and if I will just check if I have that. Uh, Let me see if I can put it here. Mm, no, I don't have it, or else I would have shown you one example. Chalo, what else? I will do it. I will do it. I will do it. I have something in my chat book. See this. Now I'm going to show you a reference which will help you understand something what we are trying to do. So I'm keeping a book here. My screen is closed, so no one will be able to see anything. I'm just taking it from downloads. Just give me a sec. I'm opening a personal folder, so that's the reason I've kept the thing open. Chalo, I've written here health. I've got one document. Chalo, perfect. I will just copy this. I will paste it on my desktop, and then we are good to go. Perfect. Chalo. I think I pop. Okay. Chalo, guys. Now I'm going to resume my screen share. See this, guys. Let's say for now, just imagine that I'm taking an example of, let's say there is someone called as Vishal, or let's say Apeksha. These people do some recurring task in their job, like कि ये तो करना ही है रोज, like something like Excel analysis या कुछ भी हो गया. So what you can do is, now I've taken one example. I've added one on my desktop. I've added one book, Think and Grow Rich. Okay. Now let's say this is a SOP that I have to follow every day. So what I will do is I will write here book review or book summary. Let's say I have that document. I have to read it every day. So I will write here book summary. Now in instructions, I can write whatever instructions I want. It will obey that. Abhi, right now I'm going to knowledge, and I'm going to add that book here. See this. I'm going to upload the file. Where is that file in my desktop? I've uploaded that book basically. And instructions, there are two way. Either you can write it in your own language, or you are going to key like let's say you can use ChatGPT or something like that. See this, how to use it. I will just quickly show you. So ChatGPT, I'm trying to create one custom AI agent where I'm uploading in the knowledge section a book which is called Think and Grow Rich. Accordingly, write instructions with that AI agent can follow to give me the best answers whatever I ask from that knowledge document. Like this, you have to communicate. The people who might be overwhelmed by this, in some time you will get used to it, and you will be using like this only. That's the reason I use AI tools at a super hyperactive mode, and this is how you should be using it too. So see this. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, it will do everything on its own. Perfect. It's taking some time since we are using the latest version. Perfect. I'm just waiting. Chalo, thought it for 40 seconds and here is the instructions. Got it. Here is the scope ready. You have the role and scope, retrieval, da 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 da. If user ask anything outside the source, respond the source does not exist. This perfect. Da, 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 da. Answering style default. It's giving a very detailed instructions. Reasoning and rigor, clarifying behavior, ta ta tone and language, safeties and boundaries. Do not give any legal advice. Ta da 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 da. Da. Common task, respond patterns, define a concept, extended mastermind, code definition. Ye wo 30 day. Chalo. Facts that da, 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 da. Chalo, perfect. I will write answer in short. I will write here answer in short. I don't want this much detail. I just want to keep it short. Answer in short. I'm telling it answer in short. Still, I can get the entire thing pulled there, but I don't want to do it. It would be like unnecessary time pass. We want to keep it very short. Rules, style, output, anchors, boundary. Chalo, we have got a good instruction set. Here is a, I will just roll here. यहाँ से copy करेंगे. Control C. I will paste it in Gemini. Where is our Gemini? And now, guys, our Gemini is ready. Even you can use this to use Gemini to write the prompt. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Any like कुछ भी use कर सकते हो. Your call. Now see this. Give me top 5 learnings from the book. From the book. Answer in short. Now just see this. It will go and read the book. It will understand the book. Whatever ways it work, different procedures वो होता है, complex होता है. Let's not go into the technicalities of it because it's any which way is not useful for us. We are concerned with the result. See this. Page 36, page 57, auto suggestion, ये सब हो गया. Now, Hardik, how do I implement this in corporate? So before I open the chat box, I want you to think for yourself. Now, I will again take an example of, let's say, Krishna. There is someone called as Krishna. Let's say he's someone, a project head. उसके पास एक project का document है. He has a project document with him. And he want to understand what are the details about the project. So he can quickly open a GEMP. He can upload the document and he can chat with the project. कि क्या हो रहा है, what is the project, this and that. Now let's say I will take example of, let's say there is someone called as Vinay. This guy is, let's say, Excel guy. He has to do Excel analysis. So what you can do is you can set instructions. The moment I open Excel file, यहाँ पे आप Excel file भी upload कर सकते हो. You can upload Excel files, okay? The moment you upload Excel file, do this task. So guys, the use case are infinite. Someone is like, Hardik, I want someone to give me second opinion. मेरे को second point of view चाहिए. Let's say there is someone called as Pranab Kumar. Pranab Kumar is like, Hardik, I'm always confused. I want some second opinion. Create a AI bot, called second opinion, give instructions. Whatever opinion I give me two perspectives of it. Guys, the thing is endless. You can upload some etiquettes of email, etiquettes document, and you can be like, whenever I put an email here, create a response accordingly. So guys, the use case are, I'm telling you, it's infinite. Whatever you do in a daily life, आप यहाँ पे उसको incorporate कर सकते हो. There are many people who are like, Hardik, I do market research or market analysis of a document. यहाँ पे upload कर दो. Tell AI agent, this is my task, you do it for me. And then I'm not telling you to directly apply in your job. Then see your answer, see this answer by AI. And if you're satisfied, then go ahead. You will save hours and hours weekly. That hours you can utilize somewhere else. How many people are going bonkers? Can I get MB in the chat box? The chat box is open now. Is it mind boggling? How is easy it is? Is it easy? Do you require some codings, complex knowledge to create an agent and this and that? It's very easy. Perfect. Can we refer web page instead of document uploaded? यहाँ पे you can scrape that web page, create a PDF and then upload. It only takes file from drive or like system files. No internet files, no links. Perfect. Just remember to use it whenever required. Perfect. Now, guys, I'm closing the chat. I'm closing the chat. Now, couple of questions. Couple of questions. Hardik, what about confidentiality? What about my document? This is the only place where you can remove your information. Let's say I'm done, I'm satisfied, I मेरा हो गया काम, my job is done. This is my some company का document. I don't want to take risk. Delete and click on save. The moment you click delete and click on save, your document is gone. Zero issue of security or something like that. Now, all the people who are asking, Hardik, what is the limit? Try it out, guys. What is the Excel limit? Try it out. जब करोगे तब पता चलेगा, right? But before I go ahead and like I want you to have some brainstorming. I want to keep the chat closed for 1 minute. ठीक है? So we are already half an hour into the session. The last 10-15 minutes are left. I want you to think something of your own. मैं साथ में create करूंगा. The best example I get, I will try to create it along with you. Think for a second कि where you can use it. अभी तो हमने इसको सेव भी नहीं किया है. How to save it? I will just show it to you. See this. I will again upload that file here. I will upload the file. Guys, you will go crazy. I will show you how to save it. इतना easy है. You won't even believe. See this. I will click on save. The moment I click on save, Gembook has been created. Start chat. It will be like your own screen. ये देखो. This looking like some GPT, right? But it's not some GPT, some bot. This is your creation. You can put canvas, image, guide learning, add files, जो add करना है, जैसे करना है करो, and you will be communicating with that. You can also use your backend knowledge as a reference to answer with this. Let's say what are the key learnings. थोड़ा मतलब right now I've taken an example which is quite similar, which you can do in Notebook LLM. But in Notebook LLM, you cannot give instructions. You can only chat with the source. You can understand it in a podcast or audio manner. Here, it's different from Notebook LLM because you have the backend power as well. Notebook LLM does not give you the backend power. It gives you front end access. Now, as I said, think for a second. थोड़ा रुक जाओ. I'm setting a timer of 1 minute. 1 minute timer. थिंक फॉर 1 मिनट एंड रिफ्लेक्ट योर लाइफ. क्या ऐसा है जो आप यहाँ पे ऑटोमेट कर सकते हो? व्हाट आर द थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ विच यू कैन ऑटोमेट यूजिंग दिस? थिंक फॉर अ सेकंड. आई एम कीपिंग द चैट ऑफ. परफेक्ट. आई एम वेटिंग for 40 seconds and I want you to think, people. Think. ठीक है? 30 seconds to go. No harsh, no compulsory. It's not कि आपको कोई आंसर देना ही है. If you can, that's well and good. If you don't, no problem. But have this learning in your head going forward. If you get similar tasks, always think of it like you have an agent to automate. Meanwhile, all the people in 15 seconds, what we can do, chalo, रुक ही जाते हैं and we'll discuss what are the things we can do. Before discussing, I will show you some examples as well. So आपका दिमाग और चलेगा. Your brain will work faster by looking at the examples. So time's up. Chalo, time's up. I'm opening the chat. Chalo, let's see what people have thought of it. How to incorporate that in your life. Sure. Can you do this with Excel? Yes. Monthly operation reports and KPI. That's a good answer. Hardik, what about plagiarism while writing technical papers or writing thesis using ChatGPT or AI tools? John, I think you have not gone through the course. There is something called as humanized AIs where you can like convert the AI content into human content. Legal drafting is a good answer. Project updates is a good answer. Can you take example by Excel data? Like it's going to be same, but chalo, let me just show you an Excel data. Let's say I don't have a Excel data to analyze per se, but what I can do is let me see if I have a free Excel ka some source. Uh, I don't have it with me. Just a sec. Uh, See if I can upload it. See this. You can upload some Excel CSV file, analyze the above data set and provide key insights out of it. See this. One example for Excel would be like this. Daily share market analysis, that's a good option. Personal finance, that's a good option. Automate job search, we have already done it. All rounder personal coach, you can do it. Hospital search, you can do it. Automate the presentation for office with multiple creative slides. Definitely, you can try it out. Wow, there are so many people. Crazy, bhai, crazy. Hmm. Perfect. Chalo, I'm getting automate my core website. See this, guys. Analysis done by AF with your Excel file. So it has created charts, so all of that. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Why I cannot save a gem? See this guy. I am able to save my gem. I can explore my gem. My book summary is gem is saved. Free version. Hai. If you're using a paid version, then you can also do it. So I've tried it for both the things. Posting messages to multiple Facebook group. Chalo, that's awesome. Constitutions to get law, expense schedule, create a daily content for marketing. That's a good option. Wellness coach agent. That's a good option. Oh ho ho ho, guys, that's a crazy thing. Nidhi, bhai, proud of you. See this. I will just show you a thing, guys. See this. We can do a wellness coach agent also for the basic symptoms of diseases. Very good, very good. Still, you will consult a doctor, but ये एक अच्छा idea है. That's a good option. Personalize astrology by putting my chart. You can do that. Guys, anything ऐसा सोचो. What is a data which you can upload there and you can train your model? Think in that terms. Uh, I'm just ignoring the queries which we have already covered. I analyze the sales funnel report, spend 30 minutes to find cues and actionables. Can this be automated? And yeah, Jasmeet, उसके लिए तो AI agent भी नहीं है. Just मतलब you can, you whatever you do, Jasmeet Arora, whatever you do, आपका एक sequence रहेगा. See, I will analyze this data first. ऐसा करूंगी, वैसा करूंगी, and all of that. Just explain that to the AI tool and try it once. देखो कैसा result आता है. Try to change something. Every staff on ground with a tablet can see if same rules are followed while aircraft loading. Exactly. There are so many things. X global reality operating in 7 countries. What do you mean by that? Summary of project details. I'm just ignoring the repetitive queries. Perfect. This is my basic need and unable to create an agent. I'm working as project head and manual reporting is doing. Arvind Gupta, I hope you've got the solution for it. Is it one document in GM, right? You can upload multiple documents as well, Siddhi. चलो चलो ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. I'm going through your questions. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. I'll read 7 to 10 notice and prepare a reply for it. Can I automate? हाँ, you can, guys. चलो, I'm just closing the chat. I'm closing the chat. How accurate is this extracting the data? I tried ChatGPT for sales report. It gives me wrong figures. You have not tried AI agent. आपने basic version try किया रहेगा. और for data complex tasks for Excel users, I've already covered Julius AI. I've already covered Claude AI, which is far better than Gemini and ChatGPT. So थोड़ा वो भी clarity होना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को कि which tools to select for which task and how do you get it by trying multiple tools. That's the only way to do it. Now, coming to the point, Hardik, what I can do. So I will explore some gems along with you. You will get an idea. See this. Just a sec. I want to explore gems. And where are the new gems? Pre-made by Google Gem Manager. It's not showing me something. Mm, let's see if I can get some gems somewhere else. What else? What else? What else? Take it. Chalo. Now show more. Guys, here we have productivity planner. So just like this, you can create a project planner. So कैसे काम करता है? We'll see this. Career guide, see this. Unlock your career potential. Learning coach if you want to learn something. Storybook for children. Coding partner, see this. एक coding partner का example लेते. You will get fair idea about it. Now, this level up your coding skills gets the help you need to build your projects and learn as you go. So now you can upload your coding homework and you can tell it to change your homework or help me update my website tracking code. Build a simple app for my business. Simply click on enter and simply click on this. It will start asking you questions. What are the websites you are trying to create? E-commerce बना रहे हो, booking website, information website, like this. Now, how to take a real world example? See this. I will take a real world example now. I will click on new jam and I will pick up a task. Chalo, let's say I will take. I'm just going through your comments. What else? What else? Pranab Das, Hardik. But if I create, how will make sure only my people can use it? I will show you that as well. No worries. Legal advices for HR people. चलो अभी ये example है. संतोष भाई has written legal advice for HR people. Now, when you speak about legal advice, legal is something which is not infinite. You have structures, you have constitutions, you have laws. तो एक document होगा legal का बराबर. So what Santosh Bhai can do is write instructions according to ChatGPT or Gemini. Write some, let's say, legal advisor for HR. ऐसा कुछ नाम दे दो, and knowledge document में upload only that legal document. And now whatever query you have, let's say Santosh sir has this query that ये legally right है कि नहीं in HR, for example, he can simply write here, go through the document and tell me is it right way or legally, or consult me or guide me how to make it legal or what are the ways around it. So these are real world example. चलो मैं और एक लेता हूँ. What else? All uh, nearest contacts, emergency details in case of disasters. Yeah, you can create that. I have to read at least 7 to 10 notice and prepare a reply. Abhi Sandeep bhai, what he is doing? Understand Sandeep bhai, how your brain is working. You're reading notices, 7 से 10 notice कर रहे हो, but how your brain works, it finds some patterns, it finds some unusual things in that notice कि ऐसा है या इसका reply मैं ऐसा draft करूंगा वैसा करूंगा and all of that. You have one procedure already in your head. The only task for you people is what you are doing in your head you need to put in papers. ये समझाना पड़ेगा बस. You just have to explain this tool that this is what I am doing, अभी अभी तुमको करना है. Just like we explain to our juniors, right? The moment you get promotion, you will tell your juniors that this is the task, do it like this, right? समझो ये आपका जूनियर है. This is just take it as your junior, as your intern, as your employee. You just have to instruct him कि ये करना है. You have to do this, and it will do it. Obviously it will take some time to like improve on, but no worries. Now one more thing. Okay, chalo, I will take two more examples so people will get more idea. रिज्यूमे एनालिसिस. नाउ देयर इज एन एचआर जो रिज्यूमे ही एनालाइज कर रहा है यहाँ पे. सो उसका भी एक प्रोसीजर रहेगा. यू विल सी हेडलाइन प्रॉपर है कि नहीं ऑन ऑल ऑफ दैट थिंग. Just write your instructions, everything is done. So when your gem is ready, you can upload candidate's resume and tell gem is it suitable candidate, yes or no, no to no, khatam. This is how you can do it. This is how you automate your job. Chalo, now what else? Teaching slow learners, definitely you can create one for it. Creating a compensation questionnaire on specific SOPs, ये भी हो सकता है. I want to create a design architecture for data centers, ये भी हो सकता है. We need to prepare summarize report to SAP detailed dumps. हाँ कृष्णा, कृष्ण, सो आपने इंस्ट्रक्शंस ये वो डाल दिया. आई विल शो यू रियल वर्ल्ड एग्जांपल. सी दिस. लेट्स से अभी आई एम टेकिंग दिस बुक का एग्जांपल, बट नाउ फॉर नाउ विजुअलाइज की दिस इज व्हाट कृष्णा हैज क्रिएटेड. उसने सब इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे दिया है एसओपी वाले को. नाउ यू विल जस्ट क्लिक एंड ऐड एसओपी डिटेल्स. व्हाट ही वाज डूइंग दिस जेम कैन डू इट फॉर यू. एंड आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू डे वन से जॉब में डाल दो. ट्राई टू एनालाइज द आउटपुट. जस्ट लाइक सिद्धि सेड कि उसको कभी कुछ रॉन्ग आउटपुट आया था. इट माइट हैपन, यू माइट ऑल्सो गेट रॉन्ग आउटपुट. सो जस्ट ऑन अ सेफर टाइप, try 5 to 10 times for your own purpose and see if it's giving you the right answer and if it's done. So what you can do is I will show you that as well. Wait. Now I will just edit it here. Perfect. Chalo, let me just waiting. I'll write here. Chalo, I will click on update and I'm just want to answer the last question. Start new chat. Okay. Uh, where is the gem? Okay. It's not working. See this. Now I forgot the question ka name. Someone was asking Hardik how to be sure that I am the only one using it. So now guys see this. There are two things. Once you create a gem, so you can like there is a section where you will get some gems by Google. जिसने Google ने बनाया. There is no other person who have created this. There are some gems which are your gems. Now guys, if I show you the option, see this. The moment you click on new chat, it will act as your own system. ये देखो. Now if you want to try it ना, अभी try कर लो. You can open your Gemini and you can search for book summary. नहीं मिलेगा आपको. You won't get it a book summary by Hardik Raja because it's a private gem. So ऐसा नहीं, if you're creating some for your company, anyone, any Tom, Dick and Harry out there can use that. I hope you understand that. ठीक है. I think almost all the questions are covered. The things which I'm going through, reading submitted articles, blah 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 blah. Let's not take away from the work from doctors. No, no, bhai, I'm not telling कि doctor. As I've said, you can still take some headache वाला thing. Let's say headache हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? तो it will tell you कि dehydrate हो, पानी पियो, all those things. For those things, you won't visit a doctor, right? And again, if the like headache doesn't go after drinking water, obviously you should need consult a doctor. You do not have to rely on ChatGPT. Bhai, why not provide some AI platform subscriptions like ChatGPT and AI Extreme now? Why not provide? भाई, I've already given you the best solution जहाँ पे आपको ये सब फ्री में मिलेगा. Perpetuity Pro, मोहम्मद नाजीर, वो फ्री में क्लेम कर लो. All platforms you can use for free. Can it create a dashboard? Yes, it can. Canvas is the things where it can do it. We will cover it in the next class, not right now. Is it one document EGM, right? Yeah, you can create multiple documents as well. Okay. Have you covered this in masterclass already, or is it in trading module? I have covered it in the previous Q&A sessions. What else? Chalo. What else? What else? What else? What if we only have to paste data without uploading files? Yeah, you can paste it as well. No load. No load. Okay. Almost all things are covered. Whatever I've ignored, that's possible. Or like आपको try करना पड़ेगा. Isn't it MB in the chat box? 4 or 5 people have given you live solution on this call. Is it MB in the Zoom chat? Perfect. क्रिकेट प्लेयर रेटिंग कुछ भी बना सकते हो. एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. नाउ गाइस, कैन आई गेट HW in the Zoom chat before the next Tuesday call? You have to create your one gem. Can I get HW? कुछ करो. Please do it something for yourself. Is that a HW? You have 1 week to create one agent for yourself. इसका recording tomorrow मिल जाएगा. Watch the recording. आराम आराम से you can do it. हार्दिक, can we create website? ये वो सब होगा. No worries. We are going to, in the next class, we are going to cover AI for videos and Google Gemini. ठीक है. Need one more session on AI agent? Yeah, we are continuing our journey in AI classes. ठीक है. Mm. Yeah. If Hardik continues to teach like this, we keep writing codes for apps and website, all the code. Devesh bhai, thank you so much. ठीक है. Is it a weekly class? Yeah, you have weekly classes live once 1 hour 1 week. चलो. Some of the videos are not working. Just write to your support. चलो. What else? Hardik, how to get ChatGPT 5 access? ChatGPT.com. चलो. Perfect. What else? What else? What else? ठीक. Definitely. Uh, Vilonina Das, please sign up for that trial. Sign up for trial account in Vortex AI as well. 30 days का trial रहेगा. So उसमें you can create n number of videos. Gems are free. Yeah, it's free of cost. ठीक है. Perfect. That's great. Hardik, guys, I'm just closing the chat. I'm closing the chat. Guys, I'm here to teach you how to do that. मैंने एक बार बता दिया है. You can watch the recording or simply you can do a YouTube search. How to create a Google VO3 account for free. एक Google search करो या तो how to create a console cloud account for free. किधर क्लिक करना है, how to click, when to click, आपको पता चल जाएगा. I'm more concerned with the important task rather than helping you with signups. Because and again, that's नहीं कि मैं नहीं करूंगा. I've already done it twice. But I think some people are late joiners. Some people join in some days. Some people don't join in some days. So if that inconsistency is there, so then you need to try something on your own. Okay. How about this agent is helpful in cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is again a law-based thing. You have some predefined laws. You have create a document out of it, put it there, and then automate your task of cybersecurity with that just single document. Okay? Is that a yes? Are we all committed? Can I get C in the chat box to do your homeworks? Is that a C in the chat? Committed? Next time के पहले एक homework कर लेना. You will get more idea about it. ठीक है? We'll continue our series of AI learnings. ठीक है? Basically, you have two homeworks, one video for your brand. Okay. So can I get two in the chat? One video for your own brand, whatever, wherever you're working in, or एक AI agent for your job task. ठीक है? Raja Lakshmi, it cannot be the case. ठीक है? Perfect. Chalo. Atul Sharma, what's your query? I've created this in Claude AI. That's a good option. You can do it in Claude as well. Vinay, that's a perfect thing. I will just copy your chat and send it to everyone. See this. First is brand के लिए and second is your thing. ठीक है? Sir submitted video testimonials. Guys. By the way, all the people who have given me video testimonials, I will love you all. I was watching it before the class as well. Love you all. Love you all. Chalo, perfect. Is the same feature available in Copilot as well? No, not yet. Thanks. All the people, here is the video testimonials given by you. Thank you. Love you all. Sumit Agarwal, yes. ठीक है, committed for brand and AI agent, ठीक है. How to we can restrict the access to company colleagues only? That's what I called. वो आप जो भी बनाओगे वो आपके लिए होगा. In ChatGPT, you have the option to do private and public, but in James, so private ही. So do not worry about that. ठीक है. That's what I said ना. You will get it here. You will get under the option of my James. यहाँ पे your James. ठीक है. What else? Chalo, what else? Hardik, some course was committed on video testimonial. Buddy, if you have not got it, right to support. Almost everyone has got it. ठीक है, 2-3 people को नहीं मिला because of their video testimonials. My team will give it to you. No worries. ठीक है. चलो, I will watch the recording. आराम से, no problem, no problem. Gemini agent is better than GPT. Okay. Can we ask Gem to analyze and report on a new income tax law bill? Yeah. Perfect. Pro Nation people, what happened? I've already sent my video testimonial. Thank you. Via email and form. Thank you. Hardik, can you share the contact details again? Yeah, sure. Here it is. Guys, anyone needs the contact details again? Here it is. Calling number, WhatsApp number, we have all sort of support, so don't worry. Here it is. I'm sharing the support details in the chat box. Thought so many AI agents that we are, at least I am in the fixed as to use which AI agent for which step. Can be spelled. That's what I said, Divish Singh. You have to try multiple AI agents. जो आपको best results देता है आपके काम के लिए, you have to try that. ठीक है, class over. Yeah, tata bye bye. I'm wrapping off in 2 minutes. Anyone wants to leave? Tata bye bye. Chalo. Hardik, data dashboard not created with any AI agent. Data dashboard last week we have covered. Last week we have created a dashboard. I देखो मैं दिखाता हूँ. All the people who are not there on the last call. How many people tried Perpetuity Pro? I think is this your number or team number? Team number by team. See this. Live Q&A. I will just go through this. Last week we had the last week यहाँ पे. See this. We solved it on 5th of August last week. I will keep it up. See this. Just close it. As we created this live AI agent of a dashboard. See this, guys. We created all this dashboard. ये सब बनाया था हमने live. See this. So go through the recording of 5th of August. ठीक है? Perfect. चलो. Can I get bye-bye from you people? Can I get an email, my email from Skill Nation? Guys, support people will help you. That's the reason I've hired those people to help you. Put the content name in class recording. Chalo, Jayashri, but that's a good suggestion. I will implement that. Thank you so much. ठीक है? I tried perpetually, bro. It's a little complicated. Sumit, it's not. Just try to get used to it. बहुत मस्त है. It's truly worth 17,000. ठीक है, tata, bye bye. Lindley is not working. आपका 1 week trial expire हो गया रहेगा. Try to go one more trial with some other email ID. Thank you so much. Take care. Yeah, I'm not feeling well today. I pardon if you are not getting that energy. Will be every Tuesday. We will meet every Tuesday and some days on weekends just to make sure other participants can attend जिसका weekly commitments होता है. ठीक है? Mostly every Tuesday. Perfect. चल. I'm thoroughly enjoying using Perpetuity. It's really good. Mohammad Nazir, right to support. Here is the support number. अभी ऑफलाइन है उन लोग. कल you can see the timings from 10 a.m. you can submit. Perfect. अरे वाह, there are so many people who have got some. Please take care, Sarji. I'm not feeling well. Chalo, saying with respect to that, do I have permission to leave? Can I take your permission? Is that a yes in the chat? Can I get by in the chat? Tuesday 8:30. Next meeting Tuesday 8:30. गोपी कृष्णा will help you, no worries. ठीक है चलो, yes, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Chacha, bye bye, best trainer. Thank you, Akanksha, means a lot. Thank you. Yes, take care, G, take care. Perfect. Hardik, I want to stay in touch. Bye. Anyone who has any personal queries, Instagram, hardikraja.in, write hi there. I will have a word with you. Chalo, tada, bye bye. See you in the next class.